Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Attaining Ramusipili, guys, his confidence took me to other levels. I was just like, hey, was Caesar calling Rone Sibanda, calling him out. Those chips on your shoulders, I'm gonna put them down. Hey, Papa's the guy. Dr. Rone Sibanda, guys. Shame. Don't. They dragged him. You shouldn't use it's just like, this is when please. You've just arrived. Please stop. You know, at some stage, Kendall Talk was agreeing with Dr. Sibanda about accused number one. I was just like, whatever they say, those people, it doesn't matter. Among those people, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for two, but just as much as Kendall Talk doesn't look so bad, you know, as an employee, I'm one which is one of those abazamai in life, but to be better, you know, they don't sound rogue like the other subs employees, like Brigadier Muhano, but at the same time, my thing is that now Brigadier that did actually prefer. And accused number one, Ungenapi. That's what Sumnes was asking. Oh, you went crazy on them. He was just like, please, just leave accused number one. Accused number one has nothing to do with anything right now. Or Musipil is the one that who cannot talk. I saw mention Ungenapi, accused number one. Oh, they were angry with him. Advocate Charleston and attorney Sipora Musipil, they were so angry with Dr. Sibanda. Oh my gosh, they were just like, when I was just born after school, actually. We're gonna see you after school, is after school. And Uzithulele, yes. Advocate Zithulele Nxumalo was exposing everything that was happening at Bilir. He was just like, you guys are not putting the entries. Everything that's going on there, angazuthi inyona busy. Faka ukuthi umuntu wayephethe cell phone, but abantu they come here. Mengithi abantu ngisho Mohan no Mogolo, they come here and say this person had a cell phone. Guguthi they are the ones that are actually using the cell phone, but he didn't really say that. But that's what we've been picking up. These people are the ones that are using his cell phone guns. And Uzithulele Nxumalo, that's exactly what he was trying to expose. Please stop with the lies. This guy didn't have a cell phone. How can he have a cell phone? And it's more we must take everything from him. Defense actually came together to shut down Dr. Sibanda. And the Urata, but you are trying to mail one to know actually it's not gonna work. Best thing we are agenda. He always does that. This is like the third time in 2 weeks. He's done that to Rats. So let's know. Actually, Asambin. So that we forget. And we're not gonna forget today. It's not gonna happen. You remember. And then in 19 Masasamba Futsi so much at the union buildings. Sakumbula exactly what you've been doing. You are biased and right and you umelana and state. Ube mele lo mntwana lo about you Dr. Sibanda. The person knows nothing about anything. Defense was like please. Who are you? You've just came to law and then you want to tell us what must happen. It's not gonna happen. Oh, he was so angry. You know how he is. Wakonkorate mese esekwatile uyangingiza and it just doesn't end well. He was losing it.
I think I missed you a bit there when you said the member that is bringing the cell has to do what regarding the injuries. I was saying that if there is visible injuries seen, the members who has to receive it, we will refuse it until the suspect is receive medical attention.
Ngingathi ngaphambili uma ngabe kulethwa ke umsola ke olimele ukubonakala ukulimala kwakhe lokho lo osebenza emaseleni ke uzowala ukuthi amthatha amgcine emaseleni kuzokufika lapho ke umthatha ke bamisa kudokotela ayonyama.
And then if the suspect has complaints, what happens? He will state that in the registers as is brought in, and also highlighted that the suspect must be taken to hospital. This occurrence book record any complaint or any injury on the day? The occurrence book is recorded with visible injuries, and that also can be followed up with the investigation made during cell visit. Mr. Mgomezulu, did they participate in you booking inside the police station?
Utolike akuzo ukuthi ke uthini ke wathi ke engichazayo ukuthi ke baye baba nalo obakwenza nabo ukuthi babhuke ilapha emaseleni.
Accused number one, this is important. My lord, I did not, or I was not part of any that I was not involved in any of that where they did something in my presence.
Is he referring to this witness as a member of the police, or him as a station commander, or him as an investigating officer?
Umnumzana uMnisi-ke ufuna ukwazi ukuthi manje ngoba umbuzo ukuthi-ke wena-ke uyawakhipha la maphepha la ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uma uthi wena ukhuluma ukuthi ngaye njengomuntu ozimele noma ngaye njengomuntu oyilungu lamaphoyisa noma ngaye-ke njenge-station commander.
As a police officer, I'm here as a police officer, madam.
Manje-ke Kennedy-ke ula enkantolo namhlanje njengomuntu ozimele noma ula enkantolo namhlanje njengephoyisa na uthi-ke Kennedy ngila namhlanje enkantolo-ke njengephoyisa.
So when I say you, I'm referring to you as a police officer.
Manje
There's an objection again, my lord.
ngawe njengomuntu oyiphoyisa.
That is where the misunderstanding is. The state is asking him. He is here as a police officer, specifically attached to the station, to the police station, not as part of the investigating team. These documents are only issued, or these documents are issued to the suspect by those who are arresting him. That is the process. They do not get issued by the police, those that are self-commanders or whatever. Those rights come from the investigating team, the arresting officer, which is why I'm saying on the point of clarification. So when the state says you, is he referring to this witness as a station commissioner, or as a self-commander, as an investigating team, or as a police in general, as him as a member of the police? That's where the misunderstanding is.
Umnumzana uMnisi uyachaza ukuthi uphambana kulana-ke ngoba manje-ke lamaphepha lasikhuluma ngawo-ke amaphepha-ke akhishwa-ke yila bantu laba-ke ukubona babophe umuntu-ke base bamtshela amalungelo. Manje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uma ngabe umbuso ukuthi-ke wena ukhuluma ngaye-ke lo muntu lona njenge-station commander noma-ke omunye wabaphinyi bacala noma omunye osebenza khona lapha e-police station.
My apologies, Mr. Colonel Toka. By whom are these documents issued? They are issued by the arresting officer, my lord.
Ngiyaxolisa-ke mntwana Mthokoza manje la maphepha la akhuluma ngawo kwamalungelo-ke wabantu-ke ubani-ke owakhiphayo-ke kasho ukuthi-ke akhishwa-ke ababophile lowo muntu.
The arresting officers, members of the South African Police Services. That's correct, madam.
Manje-ke labo bantu ababophile umuntu oboshiwe nabo bayilungu lamaphoyisa la eningizimu na uthi yebo kunjani.
I want to show you the original ASAP 10 just to finalize this aspect. Entry number 467.
Enganikeza lapha epress-ke ngale nkathi samacala-ke etholakala-ke inhlamvu.
Thank you. Because you were not in court, the document that is referring to regarding the Northwest Ammunition matter is the notice of rights, similar to the one that is before you.
Manje-ke ngoba-ke mina mnumzane ubungekho ecourt-ke le phepha lelaphuma ngalo ngiyomhlola-ke le phepha lama-notices ama-notice amalungelo wakhe leli lifana nalo leli elikhona khona la ecourt.
Now, I want to introduce a new exhibit, my lord. It's marked A206 in the case docket that was disclosed to the defense, the notice of rights in terms of the constitution. It will be marked exhibit ZZ10.
Uthi umbuso-ke khona-ke imiphepha-ke ngisho afuna ukuliveza la inkantolo elibhalwe ku-A206 exhibit ZZ10.
And another document will be marked exhibit ZZ11.
Enye futhi-ke izoba-ke exhibit ZZ11.
I think there's an objection, my lord, from the left.
I'm not understanding. I hear my learned colleague saying he's introducing a new exhibit in cross-examination. What procedure are we talking about here? I'm not understanding, my lord. I'm objecting on that basis because whatever is being introduced, if it's new, does not belong in cross-examination of this witness, my lord. The state has closed its case. If that was not also introduced in the state's case, it cannot be introduced here in the defense case without them requesting to reopen their case and deal with that exhibit at the end of the defense case, man. I'm not understanding this procedure sometimes.
Umnumzane Ramasipili-ke uyasukuma uthi-ke ngosenkantolo-ke ngizanixakeka la ngoba-ke uthi-ke umbuso-ke unamadokhumenti amasha athanda ukuthi-ke angawaveza la enkantolo kanjani ngoba-ke bona baye banikeza ithuba-ke babanethuba lokuthi-ke baveze konke abanako abakwazi ukuthi baveze ngaphandle-ke uma bethi-ke mhlawumbe kunofakazi obusha bafuna ukuqala phansi bavule futhi-ke ikhesi kodwa lokho kufuneka bakwenze uma sesiqedile nathi-ke ngofakazi-ke babo abasola bala enkantolo abangeze bamane bakufake nje la.
So, the state cannot simply say, now my lord, I want to introduce a new exhibit, I'm going to mark it www. No, that's not procedure. The state must request an indulgence. It must apply, my lord, there's a document that I would want to introduce. May I be afforded the indulgence to address the court? Why do I want to introduce this document at this junction of the crime, at this point of the proceedings? And then he lays the basis. Why did they fail to introduce that document when they were leading their own witnesses? But you just don't stand up and say, my lord, now I want to introduce this document. It's going to mark exhibit what, and then it proceeds. That's unethical, it's also unprocedural. Yes, I stand with the objection that has been raised by Mr. Ramasipili.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yes,
nami-ke ngisama ngalokho Ramasipili ukuthi umbuso angeke uzibani usukume nje ukuthi-ke khona kumfakazi obunye ubusha bafuna ukufaka bese bakubiza ukuthi www othize-ke funeka bacela inkantolo ukuthi ngosenkantolo kunobufakazi obusha kunamadokhumenti efuna uwafaka sicela mhlawumbe ngosinikeze-ke lelo thuba ukuthi kwenze lokho angeke bamane bafike nje basifakele ubufakazi obusha ubungekho eqaleni ngale nkathi-ke
As the court pleases, my lord, I will get to the ending in part at a later stage. At this stage, I would like to then show this witness a certain document, my lord, that I will request him to identify.
My lord, we understand the rules of direct leading examination. We understand cross-examination. We understand re-examination. If there's a fourth one that Advocate Sibanda wants to introduce, he must tell us, my lord. We are governed by procedure here, the Criminal Procedure Act. Introducing a document that is not even exhibited to the defense, directly to a witness, understand the witness that is called by the defense. I'm saying, my lord, in this case, the miseducation of Mr. Ramasipili continues here. I don't know what is happening here. I came here knowing procedures that we followed from time in memoriam. We are reinventing the wheel here in this court now.
Sorry, which document do you want to introduce, as you say?
It's a notice of rights, my lord.
A notice of rights?
That's correct.
The one the Colonel was reading?
Another one, my lord.
But it's still, wait, it's still a notice of rights?
That is correct.
In terms of which section?
Section 35 of the Constitution, my lord.
Is that in our law?
That is correct.
Yeah, you can. He says he wants to introduce a document which is encapsulated in our law. Let's hear what he says about that document.
It's a document in terms of our law, I agree, but we have not had sight of that document.
But he says he's going to have sight of it. He wants to show it to the Colonel. Is that not what you're saying?
That is correct, my lord. And the document was disclosed to the defense. I don't know what is the problem. It was disclosed as part of the docket. In the A section, hence it says A206. It's in the A section of the docket.
Just show them again before I go out. Just show them
abamenyi-ke
again.
bayacela ukuthi iphepha likhuluma ngalo noma kuyiphepha-ke elihambisana nomthetho kodwa thina asikaliboni futhi asazi ngalo uthi kosenkantolo kodwa mhlawumbe bombuso-ke aphinde futhi abakhombise-ke
So were they shown this as part of the docket?
It was disclosed as part of the docket.
Yeah, fine. Just show them again.
I don't have it, man. The A section, I don't have it. The B section of the document, I don't have it.
I said it's in the A section of the docket, not the B section. You don't disclose the B section.
I'm seeing this for the first time. I don't have this in my document.
umbuso-ke uyakhomba-ke abameni-ke lelo phepha lelakhuluma ngalo-ke uthi umntwana umnisi cha hayi ngosenkantolo mina leli angilazi angazi nje ngakona.
No, it's also unprocedural to read this document because it has never been read in this court.
But your colleague, I'm sitting here, I don't know about those documents, and your colleague there says it was handed over to you guys.
No, it would be unfair. I know this document, what is it all about. It would be unfair to read this document at this stage, madam. Totally unfair.
Mr.
As the court pleases, my lord, let me leave the fairness aside. This witness is called by the defense. Disclosure was made, my lord. There are thousands of documents that were disclosed and were not used in the state case, my lord. Now, this witness is here to answer on issues that have raised. Cross-examination covers everything. I acknowledge that, I know that. But to raise a completely new document that was not traversed with the IO and all the related members that investigated this case, through all the people that have testified for the state case, to raise it in cross-examination as a new document to a witness under cross-examination, it is a procedure, my lord, and I'll say it without shame. It's unheard of. Whether it belongs to the laws of the Republic of South Africa, there are certain procedures that must be followed. I cannot simply now go and grab a book on maintenance because it belongs to the rules of South Africa and read it to this kennel because we are here, we are in South Africa.
Okay, fine. There's an objection about that document. They say you are not able to lead it.
My lord,
You cannot lead it.
That's correct, my lord. Before I respond fully,
Yeah.
this is how I started.
Hello?
This is how I started this questioning, my lord. I read what Mr. Ramosipile said. He introduced these documents indirect, and I'll read what he said. But that is not procedure, Mr. Ramosipile. You can't teach me about procedure. You can't.
What's
Mr.
the time?
Ramosipile,
I think we must adjourn until tomorrow.
please, the court, please.
Are you available, Kenneth?
I'm available, my lord.
Yeah, let's come tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sure these people who are in this court, they're surprised what is happening. Okay, we sit until tomorrow.